At the IFXEXPO in Cyprus, we invited top brokers to share their brand values and views for the future of the industry. As part of this project, I've got Albert Galera from FXDD in the studio today to discuss his perspectives. Albert, thank you very much for coming in today.
Thank you.
Now, let's start at the very beginning. What makes FXDD different? How do you position yourself among your competitors?
Yeah, that's a good question. Look, you know that the forex industry has been in the past years very competitive. As it became easier and easier to get regulated and to be able to provide forex services, little companies just popped up like little mushrooms all around. And for us, FXDD, and just to do a quick analogy, like if you are, you want to fly, let's say tomorrow for the weekend, and you just go for one of those low-cost airlines, you're comfortable. It's not, something that really worries you. You don't care if there are new planes or bad planes, if the service is good or it's crap, you just go and do it. If you are a frequent flyer and you want to go, kind of partnershiping with someone in the long term, you go for a regular, high-quality service airline, right? FXDD is the same kind of thing. If you want to just go and do some place with tests in forex, you go anywhere. If you want really to have a good service, good relationship, people that is really dedicated to help you in your trading, you want to have the best technology, and you would really want to go in a long-term relationship, you come to FXDD.
I like your analogy there, but if we talk about the last year, how has your business evolved? What were the main challenges you would say from last year, and what are the main challenges going to be, do you predict, for 2013, 2014?
Yeah, well, last year has been a quite challenging year for all the brokers around. Has been, low volumes considered to previous years, has been, high volatility overall. And we take that at FXDD as a good chance to evaluate our products and to make our customers more comfortable in the kind of service we are able to provide them. So we take the chance to launch a new currency pairs for emergency markets, FX options platform too, for more than 20 vanilla options based on currency pairs. And we did as well FXDD Cloud. It's a service that you can just trade on the cloud without downloading any software. It has been a good year for us. I mean, we are not complaining at all. For the next year, 2013, again, we are mainly focused in providing high educational materials to our clients, where we launched a new digital channels to teach our clients and to tell them a little bit more on how to involve in this market, how to do the best and to perform as good as they can. And this is the main focus of our let's say our DNA, and FXDD we really like to provide high quality education services, and that's what we are focusing in for the 2013.
Okay, so moving on, let's talk about transparency. What do you think, Albert, about transparency in the FX world? Are we going to an exchange model? Will all brokers be on ECN with one data feed, or do you think OTC is the future? What do you think?
We at FXDD, we really think that both models, ECN and OTC, will continue to coexist in the market. We think that both have pros and cons, and we have to educate the clients to do the better choice. About transparency, we have been always a full transparent broker. We fully support this trend of transparency that is going around, and we are able to give our clients any kind of information about the broker, their trades, post trades, separate trades, whatever they need in order to satisfy their needs. We really think that ECN it's a trend that is obviously it's moving forward, and at FXDD we do so by white labeling Dukascopy. In fact, with your JForex platform that we started a few years ago in a very succeed way, and we are very happy on it.
Okay, with that all in mind, what is your strategy for the future? Are there any new products on the horizon, global expansion perhaps?
Yeah, at FXDD we are looking after, as anyone, for emerging markets. We are very focused in Asia and emerging markets in general. New services, of course, we are, as I said before, we are developing new services, all related to providing this high-level quality service and trading experience to our clients, education, portals, signals, analysis, and, all the material we can to make our clients succeed in their trading experience.
And last but not least, Albert, what is the best trading condition you can offer your clients?
We have at FXDD many platforms to offer. We have different tiers of pricing depending on the client is looking after. We have platforms for very, very retail client that they are just starting in the forex industry and they want to try. And we have very high level institutional conditions for other clients. I mean, the only thing I would say is anyone that really wants to open an account in forex today should call FXDD and get our offer. I mean, we're going to beat anyone. Well,
it does sound like quite a strong selling point there, Albert. Thank you so much for coming in and sharing yours and FXDD's perspectives today.
Thank you very much. My pleasure.
Well, that's all from Albert and myself. For more interviews with market leaders, please do click back to Dukascopy TV. Goodbye for now.